everyone, welcome back. Today we are hitting abs. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. You are going to need a kettlebell for this workout, so go ahead and grab your gear. If you don't have a kettlebell, feel free to use a dumbbell. If you don't have either of those, just use your body weight, that's fine. Before we get started, don't forget, the April workout calendar is available. Click the link down below in the description and sign up. Let's get started. We're going to be doing single leg to double leg crunches right now. So here we go. 1, 2, and both. 3 sets of 20. Let's get started.
Watching you undress, can't take my eyes off you.
Great job, guys. Give yourself 15 seconds to rest. Moving into Russian twist, go ahead and sit up on your mat. Bring your back into a nice straight neutral position. Pick your feet up off the ground, and you're gonna go ahead and lower the weight from side to side, just like this. If it's easy for you, don't switch your head from side to side, just fix your eyes on a point ahead of you, so that if you don't want to, or if you have a hard time pivoting your whole body, just focus on pivoting the arms here. You will work the waist regardless. 3 sets of 20, let's get started. Great job, give yourself 15 seconds to rest. For our next exercise, we're going to be doing plank dips. So leaving the kettlebell to the side, you're going to get down into the plank position, and we're going to dip the hips from side to side. This is so great, it's almost like an oblique twist in the plank position. So we're hitting core, we're hitting the waistline, it's a 2 for 1. We're going to do 3 sets of 20. Remember, keeping the back straight and the core nice and tight. Let's get started. Give yourself 15 seconds to rest. For this last exercise, we're going to be doing toe touches from the side. So we're here on the ground. You're going to use your elbow, prop you up, and tap the foot. So the goal here is to not use the arm and the upper body strength here. It's to use the core and the ab strength here. So it doesn't matter if you slightly lean on your hand right here, because because we're not working this part of our body anyway. We're working here and here for that waistline right now. What is important is you keep your body parallel to each other. So here we go, just like that, in a straight line. Try not to come forward, just go up and up, just like that. 3 sets of 10. We're gonna do all 3 on this side first. Switch. Let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to sign up for the April calendar. Click the link down below in the description box. Also, if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on those notifications so you can train with me every day. If you're ready for a cool down, I will leave a video here on the screen. Cool down with me, and I'll see you guys there. Bye.